That's some serious cricket right there.
Zillilahi Jay Shah. Lord Jay Shah.
Lord J. Lil Shah.
Yeah.
MC Shah. Interruptions happen in cricket matches also. Ishant Sharma was like, he used to destroy Ricky Ponting. Ponting became his bunny for a while.
बगल में चांद होगा एक बगल में पिज्जा होगा एक बगल में
Tala for a reason into 14 episode 14.
What do you think about the pitch, Billy? ये सीरियस ही नहीं है क्रिकेट को लेके क्या चल रहा है?
If you ask me, you look good in long hair. Don't cut that hair. Welcome, it's Crickheads episode 14.
Ricky Ponting / Samson for a reason.
Yeah, we have to include an Indian always.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's episode 14. Ricky Ponting is the most
हमारा
famous,
जानी दुश्मन
हमारा जानी
देश का
दुश्मन,
जानी दुश्मन
serial winner, and now after being Delhi coach, serial loser.
Yeah, it feels so good ना कि बचपन
Yeah.
के सारे दिल्ली ने सब like इसके लिए मैं दिल्ली को सपोर्ट कभी नहीं करता हूँ like ये पॉन्टिंग जब तक है ये नहीं जीते
True. और seriously उन लोगों ने बहुत बुरा खेला है for the last. He's been fired, I think, or he's left. I'm not sure. जो भी
It's
है.
between now you let a comment ये सीरियस ही नहीं है क्रिकेट को लेके क्या चल रहा है but Ricky Ponting has said that Border Gavaskar series Australia is winning.
No.
That's what he has predicted. He
Wow.
said good things about Bumrah and all, but I think he said 3-1 if I'm not wrong.
Wait, Border Gavaskar is in Australia this time,
in Australia
right?
this time, and
Oh,
he predicted
uh-huh.
3-1 victory for Australia on home soil.
It's starting in November?
Home soil, which is not a drop in wet pitch. No drop in pitch.
Yeah.
It's happening, like later this year.
I mean,
The most exciting series for the year.
I think by then Gautam Gambhir's his philosophy will be flowing through the blood of the team.
Which is what?
कि माचो दो सबकी.
Gamball.
Gamball.
We'll be playing gamball.
Gamball is worst.
Between balls, we'll just abuse the batsman.
Serious cricket. That's some serious cricket right there. But yeah, Ponting's prediction, I don't think so.
Ponting was the only cricketer,
Yeah.
was the OG cricketer who I remember got into a bar fight and stuff.
Oh, dude.
Back in the 90s, late
He was
90s.
a nasty guy, man, as a cricketer. And now he's so nice. When I hear him in commentary, I'm like confused what to feel about him.
Yeah, he's so good. एक तो इतना fast बोलता है.
बहुत
साला
तेज
ये जब
बोलता है.
sledge करता होगा किसी को समझ में भी
Hey,
नहीं
mate, you
आता.
fucking idiot, mate. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया किसी को
हाँ,
भी.
वो पहले वो I think ये भी पहनता था ना
Collar button.
कॉलर पे एकदम वो रुमाल बांधता
रुमाल
था.
भरता था क्या?
I think so.
That
Wait. Ricky Ponting रुमाल. I'm
इस पे रिजल्ट मिल गया तो बहुत ही
Ponting.
फनी होगा, dude.
क्या
अरे
बोलते हैं
भाई.
रुमाल को हैंडकरचीफ. नहीं बट वो वाला तो करता था कुछ तो करता था वो
हाँ.
राउडी लगता था थोड़ा ओल्ड फोटोज
Ricky Ponting.
I'm doing Ricky Ponting old photos.
My
But
memory
yeah,
of Ponting is when Javagal Srinath hit him on the face with the ball and he apologized and Ponting was like, just go and bowl.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I was like,
Where
what
which
a
series was
child,
this?
dude. Yeah, ये सब याद नहीं है, but I remember Srinath hit him and he was my favorite bowler because he was express pace for,
And he was
for
also
us.
from Bangalore.
That's right.
That's why you
Engineer.
Liked him.
He was
Is
an
he
engineer.
from Bangalore?
I think he's from Bangalore.
Again.
Engineer.
Javagal Srinath. But yeah, he's from Karnataka. This was when Karnataka and Mumbai
Had
cricket
the full.
was like just
Yeah. They dominated.
Yeah. No, he's from Mysore. Sorry guys. From
Yeah,
Mysore
Karnataka though.
Yeah.
So, okay, Billy Bowden has made
Billy
an early
Bowden
appearance.
is here now for the podcast.
We had a segment planned for Billy Bowden, but
But she's early today.
she's come to check shit out.
She's doing the pitch report at
She's
this
going
point.
back into her cave where she attacks us from usually.
What do you think about the pitch, Billy?
Hey, Billy.
Like
She's like, no questions.
no dry food on the pitch, so it sucks.
Billy Bowden
Yeah,
wants to
she loves
attack my-
laptops. I wish she could like just finish all my work for me.
Yeah, she's just backspaced one whole sentence
Co-host?
for me. Just
Okay,
now.
go co-host. Yeah.
Oh no, now she's gonna attack.
Attack
Oh god,
time.
here we go.
That's why she's between the two laptops.
Oh
okay.
boy, here we go. Hamla time.
Hamla Harris. That's a name that was
Hamla
suggested. अरे लैपटॉप मत खा उसका भाई मेरा खा ले.
अरे
उसका
भाई
मत खा.
मेरा बहुत चीप क्वालिटी का लैपटॉप है मत खा भाई खराब हो जाएगा.
मेरा लैपटॉप.
Oh, now she's distracted by. Sorry guys, I know this
अंतरिक्ष ने show the ribbon.
is a cricket
Next to you.
podcast, but you know sometimes these interruptions happen in cricket matches also.
अरे लैपटॉप बंद करा दिया.
She's
Okay.
telling you to live. Don't look at a screen. But yeah, sorry, but Antrix, yeah, you need to hold on. Oh my God. Oh, that's important. Why?
She's having a microphone.
She's gonna disconnect all the important equipment. Guys, sorry.
We have a Ricky Ponting right here.
Yeah, this is how he used to disrupt India's plans.
Yeah, by biting Parthiv Patel on the neck, give him love bites.
What I remember is Ishan Sharma was like, he used to destroy Ricky Ponting. Ponting became his bunny for a while.
For a while, for
Yeah.
when 2008 till I think 11 and
Yeah.
all, he was.
Yeah. And then I remember clearly the first ever IPL game, which was KKR RCB.
RCB, huh.
And Ponting was in KKR with Ishan Sharma.
Oh.
And Ishan Sharma got Dravid clean bowled, I think.
I don't remember.
And
this
Ponting
at all.
was like, I'm so happy मैं तेरे team में हूँ इस बार." He was like, yeah, first I saw them high five each other.
Like Ricky Ponting towards the end of his career, I felt like wasn't like. मतलब first of all, I think उसका captaincy हट गया था by 2011 type
true.
का, and then he didn't feel like that force.
Yeah, he lost that fire. I
Yeah.
think he wanted to be the leader.
Because also like Dhoni came in and after winning the CB series, was it CB or VB? Victoria Bitter
Something.
or CB? Commonwealth
Commonwealth Bank.
और Victoria Bitter. One of the series against with try series जिसमें श्रीलंका भी थे.
हाँ.
उसके बाद जिसमें अपने को 3 मैच के फाइनल थे उसमें 2
Yeah.
जीतने थे.
सचिन जो 2 सेंचुरी वाले
सेंचुरी
थे.
मारा और उसमें उसने फर्स्ट मैच के बाद बोला ज़्यादा सेलिब्रेट मत करो. It should look like. I think that was the turning point for us.
Yeah, our
and
attitude changed and.
कि धोनी era started, Ponting
True.
era.
But ये crazy stat तेरे को बताता हूँ.
That's why धोनी आ ही जाता है कहीं ना कहीं से.
Bro, Tala for a reason into 14, episode 14.
14.
By the way, Ricky Ponting has hit 8 test centuries against India and 6 one-day centuries, 14 centuries. उसका again shirt number फिर से and he stopped there. 14 centuries मारे
14th
हमारे
century.
against.
Oh my God.
What a
that's-
guy, dude. He has
I
destroyed
hated
us.
him. He was like he was a nightmare. Like in fact, even today morning I was watching highlights of Michael Clark. ने 329 मारा
I
हमारे
remember.
against.
I remember.
I was like Michael Clark यार.
Michael
और
Clark-
भी बैट पे
Was he even out or not out?
नॉट
था
आउट
last
नॉट
में?
आउट
हाँ.
था और उसके बैट पे स्टिकर भी नहीं था. लाइक उसने नॉर्मल लाइक मारते मारते वो ब्रांड्स को भी दिखा रहा था.
उसने-
यू लूजर 3 बार ऊपर किया मैंने.
कैपिटलिज्म की भी मार ली.
हाँ.
Michael, but these Australians, they really live, dude. These guys, Michael Clark का कुछ street पे footage निकला है where he's drunk and running
हाँ.
behind some girl and
What?
कुछ भी मतलब his
That's
own
not
girlfriend.
living, but
no, his
okay,
own
okay,
girlfriend.
okay.
Like there's some, they had an argument. Yeah, that's
Okay.
not living. I'm just saying they have crazy lives. And it all Tim Payne का तो पता ही है.
टिम पेन का पता है, शेन वॉन का पता है.
Shine,
Yeah.
legend.
Yeah, actually, yeah, they have. But the thing is, like, they are still in Australia, right? Like, if
Yeah.
you watch the test, I
The
don't know if
test.
I've spoken about it in the earlier episodes of of Pat Cummins' wife.
Yeah, Pat Cummins is great.
Like, she didn't know who he was. Like,
Yeah.
like ये KFC के ad में क्या कर रहा है?
Yeah.
Oh, इसमें blue tick भी है. So,
It's
like,
just a job for them.
yeah,
Cricketer है ये.
यहाँ पे cricketers are under like so much.
हाँ, यहाँ पे it's like your life has changed permanently and you'll never be the same.
Yeah, even if
again.
you're an IPL player. So
Yeah.
you have to be like very power and there's a kind of like
True.
that's why Virat Kohli stands out, you know.
Yeah, that's the bad boy.
the bad and talking about Virat Kohli, you have
Yeah.
some news to give.
Oh yeah, what is the Virat Kohli news? Oh yeah, Mr. Amit Mishra, who we have talked about before, has again spoken.
Our algorithm has been taken over by Amit Mishra
Yeah, it's-
after the Saurabh Pant episode. when
Yes.
I don't know why Saurabh Pant is watching like what Amit Mishra has to say.
I swear, but now Amit Mishra has 3 listeners. Saurabh Pant and us both.
And Piyush Chawla.
Piyush Chawla, of course,
4
because
listeners.
Amit Mishra has said Virat Kohli I used to talk to him regularly, but now he has changed. Fame and power make people change, you know. And I remember him from when we used to eat butter chicken all the time.
No, he used to have pizza every
Pizza,
night.
every night.
हर रात इसे पिज्जा की जरूरत पड़ती. It sounds like
Zarurat.
like जरूरत, like it sounds like something very shady and like
Yeah.
creepy. Like oh, हर
Yeah.
रात ये
But yeah, like Piyush Mishra
double
was
cheese
carrying it
margarita.
himself. मुझे लगता है पीयूष मिश्रा के साथ शेयर करता था.
अमित शर्मा के पीयूष चावला.
Piyush
Just said Piyush Mishra.
You know what I mean, guys.
I don't because it's like
It's the Piyush Mishra battle. This is. It's Piyush Sharma, Amit Mishra. guys.
yeah, Piyush Mishra.
I'm
is
saying Piyush
एक
Mishra wrote a
बगल
poem.
में चांद होगा, एक बगल में पिज्जा होगा, एक बगल में
चच्चा.
समोसा.
Oh man,
That's
Piyush.
if Piyush Mishra and Virat were friends.
Sorry, only we have managed to connect Piyush Mishra and Virat Kohli. My point is, Piyush Sharma has defended Virat
Piyush
Kohli.
Chawla.
Arre.
Dude, what are you saying? these Bengalis living in Bangalore, man, they just don't get these North Indian surnames.
Sorry, we're going to take that again.
Wait, you said which? Piyush Sharma.
Now I forgot all the names. I don't know anymore.
Piyush Sharma, comedian.
PC. Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah, good.
Piyush Chawla.
Juhi Chawla, Piyush Chawla.
Piyush Chawla, Juhi ka bhai.
Juhi ka bhai. Yeah,
As,
good way to remember.
as said, Virat is
And
not changed.
Kalpana ka?
Oh my god. I said Virat is not changed. Piyush Chawla said he's the same person. So this is a spinner on
And he
spinner
said
battle.
the spinner said that he's still the same person during Asia Cup में commentary कर रहा था और boundary line पे था तो विराट बोला bro कुछ खाते साथ में मिलके I like how खाने की ही बातें हो रही है
It's
यहाँ पे
always
but there has to be some reason no like whatever Amit Mishra is saying needs to have some basis ये तो
I
उसके
think
pure
it's-
feeling वाली बात हो रही है जो
I think it's just employment right now for Amit Mishra, right? He's
Yes.
getting views and he's just saying what. No
But-
one is being edgy in Indian cricket. He's like,
हाँ.
I'll play that.
I'll
role."
try because now that Gautam Gambhir is
Yeah, he
in-
can't do it.
हाँ.
He's tied up with a job.
But imagine like if you would think of someone trying to be edgy like
Yeah.
would Amit Mishra's name
No,
ever
I
come
wouldn't.
up?
I wouldn't even think of him.
हाँ.
But I remember him being quite a hothead. From
He
what-
is a hothead, but
Yeah.
he's not like यार spinner को देख के मेरे को नहीं लगता they can be like
True.
badasses.
It's
you
very
know?
tough.
Like एक तो थोड़ा पेट रहता है उनका और
But
फिर
Shane Warne was badass.
Shane Warne
He's
was the
only
only
guy.
spinner
He
who
could
was
pull
badass.
off badass.
Yeah, because he's Australian more than he
Yeah.
was a leg spinner.
That is true.
Yeah,
He
but
was Australian.
but I feel like Piyush Chawla and you're right, Piyush Chawla and Amit Mishra, battle of the spinners
Yeah.
on who is going to be Virat Kohli's friend.
On
and
this
I think
corner-
the answer is that no one. The answer is Yuzi Chahal.
Yeah. Well, I don't think Piyush Chawla also will enjoy what Virat will offer as a meal right now.
हाँ वो quinoa puffs and quinoa salad and 2 yum chips
जैसे ये सब तो भाई
and
Piyush Chawla देखता भी नहीं है.
digit insurance and MRF ZLX for sheer comfort and safety.
I love कि MRF के ad में विराट को पूछते हैं कि बेस्ट टायर कौन सा है.
हाँ,
विराट, क्या बोलेगा
Fiat.
Dude, what a great transition. Fiat.
Yes, guys, today our segues are like just on point. Man.
Yeah, and
Like-
then we are addressing it and we are slowing the segue down.
Yeah, that's why I started with Virat Kohli, like appointing an Indian angry man, Virat Kohli.
Fiat Cricket Awards have
Yes.
happened. You know the big awards which everyone supposedly
Yeah,
cares about.
number 1 and number 2 we have Wisden cricket.
That's right. That's right. It's the Oscars of cricket.
Yeah.
And many people have won. I think overall Rohit Sharma was Cricket of the Year, which we totally support 100%.
We support also and they have to support because
Yeah.
Fiat का bat किसके नाम
Oh,
पे
yeah, that's true.
At
That's
the end
true.
of it तो ये उनको सब अपने players को तो देना ही
विराट को
पड़ेगा.
तो दे ही नहीं सकते ये अवार्ड.
हाँ, विराट को फिर भी दिया ZLX को दिया उन्होंने
दिया
sheer
है.
comfort को दिया
But the award we need to
sheer
talk about.
comfort and long lasting okay
The award we need to talk about
Ah.
is can you guess, Dudeja, who won Best Cricket Administrator Award in Seat Cricket Awards this year?
Of course I can the
The only one whose name anybody knows.
Zille Lahi Jaisha
Lisan Al-Gaib.
Lord Jaisha
Lord J.
author of the British Empire
yeah.
Jaisha
Lil Shah. Lil Shah, because Big Shah is another job. MC Shah.
and you can't make fun of the Lord
Yeah.
because this Lord is now going to be ICC chairman
Oh my goodness.
pretty soon. That's what everybody's been saying कि उसे support मिला हुआ
Yeah,
है.
he's going to formally take up the role he has already been carrying out.
Yeah, it's like under the wraps बहुत हो गया. अब नया profile बनाना है मुझे.
But this is hilarious that we are so openly owning cricket now. Jay Shah is going to be everything. Firstly, giving him this award, like, give it to another. Oh, fuck. Is it fine?
Is it fine?
We are all good?
Sorry Jaisha, we didn't mean to.
Billy
Congratulations Jaisha on winning.
Oh my god, Billy Bowden is hired by Jay Shah to destroy our equipment if we talk about him. ठीक है भाई, we won't talk about you. But I do have one more concern
About
Jay
Jaisha, yeah.
इतना तुम्हारे पास पावर है तो
Power,
तुम
पैसा,
सब
गाड़ी,
है.
सब
हाँ,
कुछ
माँ
है.
भी होगा I guess. I don't
माँ
know.
भी है, हाँ.
सब है भाई.
हाँ.
इसमें दीवार कुछ है ही नहीं.
हाँ.
Then why would you?
दीवार नहीं है शाउट आउट टू एंग्री यंग मैन जो शामिक ने देखा है, जो एक बैंगलोर का लड़का है जो सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात करता है, वो मुझे बोल रहा है ब्रो दीवार व्हाट अ फिल्म मैन, व्हाट अ फिल्म.
द वॉल. मैं सोचा राहुल द्रविड़ के बारे में. But it was good. But England's India's tour of England has been announced June to August 2025. ठीक है. End of June, India's first test is against England. And we have World Test Championships finals. Guess when it is?
After that.
No, it is right before that.
Oh my god.
Again. Remember when
yeah.
that happened? When last time Australia played England.
For 4-5 matches
They learned
played
how to
Ashes.
play in England.
And
we came immediately warm up खेल के.
they got
destroyed.
Scott Boland against
Yeah,
us
yeah.
to like bowl us completely.
It destroyed us.
Yeah, it was really bad. Ajinkya Rahane, after I
tried.
think lunch or dinner or no lunch or dinner I'm saying
Dinner तो नहीं.
after
Tea.
tea or lunch
हाँ.
उसने he nicked one outside
Yeah,
off.
he was the only hope at
89
that
पे
time.
आउट हुआ, मेरे को अभी भी याद है. और जब मैं तो टेस्ट देख रहा था उसमें किसी ने मेंशन भी नहीं किया रहाणे के बारे में, सिर्फ कोहली के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि दैट गाय
Yeah.
क्योंकि कोहली ने कुछ इतना खास खेला भी नहीं था
That's just
उसमें.
the Kohli factor.
या तो लेकिन उन लोग ने मतलब आई थिंक अगर उस दिन रहाणे को सेंचुरी मिलती, इट वुड हैव लाइक आई थिंक दोस सर्टेन hundreds make
Yeah,
a big difference.
make a difference. But like, why do this again? Like, it's so unlikely. So like, I looked up one stat. Okay, so India's going to play most probably Australia. Let's say.
But I'm saying there's still time. So
Yeah.
guys, all our 508 subscribers.
Yeah.
अगर आप जय शाह की फोटो पे जाके इंस्टाग्राम पे
Yes.
लिख दो के change WTC schedule.
Yes.
#crickheads.
Yes, please
Yeah.
include #cricket so
Cricket,
that
yeah.
Jaisha will be like, wow, who are these people trying to
Yeah,
bring
the
about a
new
revolution?
boys on the block, the
हाँ.
Salim Javed of
Yeah.
cricket
They'll
podcast.
be like, इनको 1-1 crore देके चुप कराता हूँ,
हाँ.
and then we'll stop saying subscribe.
Yeah. That's a big bonus for you guys.
Yeah.
Stop telling you to put every word, every letter of every word. And
Yeah.
Antariksh will also be happy.
Yeah,
Because
seriously.
he'll have some food.
Yeah.
And we'll have some food. We'll all have some food
Antariksh
together.
doesn't have to hit a heart for a comment which is just one letter of the alphabet.
So, crickheads, we want food on our plates.
The postponed WTC final.
#crickheads.
Cricket. Because India's first, like, this is India's record against what Sena countries, the ones that count.
Senna, you said it to
Right?
me. Country.
In the last 15 years, first test of a series, 1-2 lost 12 including WTC finals, drawn 3. So it's like a first test we'll be playing in the Test Championship
And
final.
हम लोग फर्स्ट वाला तो हमेशा ही हारने
हाँ,
वाले
तो
हैं.
मतलब-
फर्स्ट में तो कॉम्बो ही राइट नहीं मिलेगा हमें.
हाँ.
यशस्वी को थोड़ा उसके पहले प्रेसिडेंट्स 11 खिलाओ.
Exactly.
know.
It's like, why do we not want to? I think the point is we want to lose it again, and then next time they'll bring it to India.
हाँ.
Up to they're trying to get it out of England, na?
हाँ, they
India में
will
होगा.
try to get it like in Australia.
हाँ.
I think maybe they should do the same defending champion stuff, no? कि अभी
Play it in
अगर-
the defending
हाँ,
champions
defending champion country. It makes sense, ना? Then
Yeah.
अगर वो नहीं आए फाइनल में तो ठीक है, न्यूट्रल ग्राउंड हो गया.
हाँ.
बट अदरवाइज आ गए तो
हाँ,
उनको
but I think
advantage
India
दे दो.
लाओ और एक बार जीत जाओ to get that stat.
और फिर हमेशा के लिए ही जीते रहो. क्योंकि एक बार इंडिया में हम जीत गए.
हाँ, फिर नहीं छोड़ेंगे हम.
हाँ, मतलब अभी भी एक्चुअली परसेंटेज वाइज लाइक ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंडिया का ही सबसे मैक्स परसेंट है. वी आर स्टिल अज्यूमिंग
Yeah.
दैट इंडिया आने वाली है. ठीक है, इसके अभी बांग्लादेश सीरीज है, न्यूजीलैंड सीरीज है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज है.
That's true. Sorry, Billy Bowden's making me sneeze.
हाँ, 3 सीरीज है, तो वी आर अज्यूमिंग, बट वो तो हो ही जाएगा.
Yeah, we are in pole position and Jai Shah will do the rest.
विल डू द आया स्क्रिप्ट में मजा. he'll do that again. या अरे गाइस, ये पॉडकास्ट Allegra, if you want to sponsor
Yeah,
our
Allegra, you want to
podcast,
sponsor us, please.
any antihistamine.
Man, this is the weirdest demand.
Antriksh is writing antihistamine brand collab.
Just send Allegra right now at our door. That
Allegra
would be amazing.
M in collab with Crickheads, in collab with Allegra M.
But I think we've covered everything. कुछ और है क्या बात करने
Yeah,
का?
I have something.
Go for
One
it.
second, let me see what I have. I've written it down, guys. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's it. I think that's all we have. But I have a
What a
game to
build
play.
up.
I have a game.
Oh,
should I give book recommendations finally?
Go for it.
Okay, finally. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So I'll give 3 book recommendations.
Okay.
3 book recommendations दूंगा
books.
क्रिकेट के, जो 3 मैंने पढ़े हैं actually. Those are the only 3 ones that I've
Okay.
read.
Is it sunny days?
No, it's not sunny days.
अरे
Actually,
यार.
there are 4 that I've read.
Okay.
I'll tell you guys the 4th one at the end, and then of course you guys will know कि मैंने क्यों suggest
ठीक
नहीं
है.
किया. So number 1, of course, is Rahul Bhattacharya's Pandits from Pakistan, which is about the series when we went to Pakistan first in 2004.
Okay.
2004 or 2005? 2004 we went to Pakistan.
When Multan and all that.
Multan happened,
Sehwag,
everything, where
Jyotirlanka.
Atal Bihari said, Dil bhi jeet kar aana. So
Yes.
like all of that.
Yes.
So that classic
Where he said
series.
Dhoni, your hair.
No, that was the
Kodia
later
series,
one.
huh.
That is the Musharraf later one.
Musharraf, yeah,
That was, so India went to Pakistan, then Pakistan came to India, then again India went to Pakistan, then Pakistan came to India, then something happened, which I don't want to mention, and then nothing
the
happened.
End, the end.
Yeah, so but this is the first series and it's a great book because मेरे बचपन का like you know मैंने like I said I'm 93 born, तो मैंने कभी इंडिया पाकिस्तान as such देखा नहीं था from what I remember.
Yeah.
Apart from 2003 World Cup में the match.
Yeah.
Before that the Chennai and everything and the Kolkata,
Correct.
whatever happened in the late 90s, मैंने कुछ देखा नहीं था कभी. So for me first time India is going to Pakistan, ठीक है, was like a big deal. And there's some background here of some terrorist threats and everything as well.
Yeah.
Will it happen? Will it not happen?
Yeah. That added to the.
Added to it. So
whole
and this
thing.
Rahul Bhattacharya was a journalist on tour and you know he just spoke about like every test match. So it's a fun read. It's a very nostalgic read for
Nice.
me. I don't know about you guys. He's an
Yeah.
ESPN cricket info writer. if
The
I'm
what
not-
is it called? The book?
Pandits from Pakistan.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Next?
and next is his friend from Pakistan called
Oh.
Osman Samiuddin.
Oh.
ठीक है, another cricket info writer, very good writer, has
हाँ.
this book called The Unquiet Ones, which is Pakistan cricket's like complete history. And it's
Oh.
amazing because as we know,
Full
Pakistan is
blockbuster.
proper stories, entertainment, you know, it
Yeah.
starts from pre-partition time. And
Yeah, that whole Imran Khan stuff will be crazy. I'm
yeah,
sure.
Imran Khan stuff is later on. In fact, the original is Abdul Kardar and I forgot the other guy's name.
Abdul Kara.
Yeah.
In full flight was a sight to see. Do you remember?
No, I
Cricket
don't know.
97 में Richie Beno का commentary.
हाँ
होता.
क्या?
नहीं, David Gower in full flight, but Abdul Kader पे भी था कुछ.
Abdul-
Abdul Kader was he a spinner?
Wait, Abdul Kader was an old player, right?
Was he a
Wait,
spinner?
I think so.
Abdul Kader. I remember the pronunciation.
Okay, no, I'm talking about. Okay, wait. You're talking about Abdul Kader.
Yeah, he was
I'm-
not that. He
I'm
was-
talking about Abdul Hafiz Kader. He's an
that's
old,
like
very
much
old player.
earlier, हाँ.
Yeah, so there was him and one other player जिसके उन लोग बात करते उस time के बारे में because both came from like very different schools of cricket. One was like a very polished British upbringing, the
हाँ.
other was a street side player.
Oh, nice.
And in the 70s and all 80s तक वो तब तक वही वाला था कि पूरा ये सब Oxford educated Pakistanis
So
were
one-
dominating cricket
हाँ.
and then it went to this like
so
the,
you're saying it's like two brothers, one educated, one not educated, like Diwar, Bollywood film.
yeah, you could call them brothers, I guess. Yeah.
Sort of.
So, and it's very entertaining and very well written.
Nice.
Of course, that's another great book. And third book, which I love the most as well, is because it involves like cricket from the beginning, at least in India, is Corner of a Foreign Field by
I've heard of
Ramchandra
this.
Guha.
You told me about
Which
this.
is amazing क्योंकि वो book में उन लोग ने मतलब describe किया है like 1800 से of how we used to have those quadrangular series like
Yeah.
Hindu Gymkhana, Islam Gymkhana, Parsi Gymkhana and rest of England. So or rest of India which
Yeah,
is white
rest of
people.
India. Yeah.
So वहाँ से start होता है how there was a DBA community bowler in Hindu Gymkhana as well and how that broke kind of some barriers.
nice.
Back then there was issues. So matlab actually it's a book about society but cricket as a medium of like how society
Yeah, how
evolved.
society evolved and cricket is
Yeah.
used as the tool. To
Exactly. There was so there is like so much happening in that as well that you're
Nice.
like it's a great book again. And the
Sahi hai.
fourth book that I'm not recommending
Yeah.
is Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography, which and I as a Sachin fan, biggest Sachin fan, could not finish.
Is his autobiography called "Hey, hata, okay"?
Wear helmet.
Nine, nine. Sachin saying no for a 2 is my favorite sound. Nine. I remember it from my childhood. But yeah, I've heard it's a very plain, boring
It's a
book.
very plain book. It's a very boring book. Matlab,
Okay.
it's like everything you know about Sachin. If you're a Sachin fan,
Yeah.
like I knew more about Sachin than in his book. Like
Okay.
the only thing that he revealed there, which was fun, was that jab India was playing Sri Lanka 2003 World Cup, mein Sachin had diarrhea, so he had to put tissue paper and go out to bat.
ऐसा ही
And I
तो
think he
जो-
scored some 90s something.
Oh,
Like I think
man.
they didn't score a century.
Nervous
I think.
90s में तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता
Problem, हाँ, वही. But
टिश्यू पेपर निकल गया
so yeah, उसने I think so that was the only good thing about that book. Apart from
Nice.
that, I want to read like Sunny Days, which I've heard is a good book, and even Shane Warne's No Spin, I think it's called.
Yeah, see, Shane Warne's book I've heard is
It's called
very
No
good.
Spin, no?
He's got more than one. He's one of those guys. He has more than one biography.
Just like he's got more than one.
Yeah.
That's right. Cut it here.
All right, legend Shane Warne.
Ah. But actually, I think we should discuss the four golden years of my childhood, which was the 2 summer series in Pakistan and 2 summer series in India.
Oh,
We
yeah.
will talk about it in the next episode.
Yes.
If you have any book recommendations, comment में डालो
Yes,
ताकि
if
हम
you've
भी
read
पढ़े.
cricket books and yeah, and also any cricket memories from childhood, playing cricket, any
Yeah.
memories of yours?
And if 2004 to 2007 or 8, whatever those 4 years of
Yeah.
cricket, summer cricket was,
Summer
you
cricket.
were a fan of it when even Dhoni and UV, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Coming of age of Dhoni and UV भी हुआ
Yes,
था
yes.
जिसमें. तो प्लीज कमेंट, हम लोग वो 2 सीरीज के बारे में बात करेंगे.
Yeah.
I have lot of memories from
Long hair Dhoni.
those 4 series basically.
Dhoni long hair era.
Musharraf crushing on
Yeah,
Dhoni
yeah.
era.
If you ask me, you look good in long hair. Don't cut that hair. यही याद है मेरे को.
So we can discuss those, but apart from that, of course, hit the like button.
Yeah, smash the like button. Like this cat has been smashing our equipment
and
all
my
episode.
face. Yeah.
इस पे एक close up कर लो कभी. आ
अभी
जा.
आ गई बिली बाउड इन जम्मा.
Hey, right on cue.
हाँ.
इधर.
हाँ, अभी आएगी ऊपर वो.
अरे,
बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, मेरा मुंह मारने खत्म.
Yeah, smash the like button and subscribe and
Share.
tell
and
us how much of her you want to see in the episode.
I mean, whatever you think is not. It's not in our
Yeah,
hands.
We want it's not in our hands,
Yeah.
but let us know what you think about Billy Bowden
Yes.
as
And
she enters her
yes,
cave.
and again comment a lot, like one letter also if you want to.
Yeah, please.
But book का पूरा नाम दे देना अगर
Yeah,
तुम्हारे पास.
and that one guy who insults us every time, please feel free. एक और बार.
एक और बार, but थोड़े 4-5 कमेंट में इंसल्ट करना.
हाँ, थोड़ा spread out करके insult करा हमें.
हाँ, एल्गोरिदम में पता चलना चाहिए कि हमारी बेइज्जती हो रही.
All right, see you guys next episode.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.